Okay, this is the seniors workout na I develop. Tapos para hindi yung 30 minutes. So it's going to be 15 exercises. Tapos ayan ang ito ang yan yun. So I will do it shorter version. Okay, let's start. Okay, the first one is squat with arm swing. Okay, ganito lang yun. Squat with arm swing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So usually 30. 1 minute, pagkatapos 1 minute, then rest in between. The next one is squat with cross arm swing. Ito naman yun, parang sumo. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So I usually do it like 30 reps then. And then the next one is press down with knee raises. Ito naman yun. 1, 2, 3. Okay, tapos 1 minute. 1 minute, tapos 1 minute rest then. And then the next one is wall push-up. Wall push-up is like 1, 2, 3. Yun naman yung wall push-up. Number 5 is seated leg triplet. Ganito naman yun. I usually put like weights in my or like a band here. So 1, 2, 3. So ganun lang yun. Next is standing heel raises. Ang ginagawa ko dito, heel raise, and then toe raise then. 1, 2, 3. Usually 30 reps lahat to. Next one is the standing modified chair squats. This one, itataas mo na yung mo pag squats. Taas mo na yung heel mo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kung the lower, much better kung lower. Next is the bird dog hold. Ito na yun. It's like 1, 2, 15, and then other side then 15, and then single leg raise. Ito yung ang ginagawa ko dito. 1, 15, then the other side naman. Ganun din. 15 din. Tapos, ulit. 1 minute rest. Susunod is squat and reach. Tapos, with a twist, may squat and reach na twist. Kumbaga, your leg flat, tapos naka-squat, tapos dito. 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other side. Okay. Pagkatapos, rest ng 1 minute ulit. Doon pa lang hinihingal na ako. Next one is sumo squat and stand. Ito naman yon. Flat, flat, and then hold mo lang to 30 seconds din. 60 seconds naman pala, 1 minute. Okay. Pagkatapos nun is the 12 is the posterior chain push up. Posterior chain push up is like this. Push up. You just have to I usually do it like ito 15, 16 o 17, tapos mga 1 minute yun sa akin mga 1 minute yun. 15, 16 o 17. And then the next one is hip abduction. This one is like this. On one side, 30 seconds. Dito, 30 seconds naman. So, pagkatapos, the other side. Okay. 30 seconds din. Pagkatapos, noon, 1 minute rest. And then, yun na. Susunod dito, yun na, 1 minute naman na track. Track. Yun. And the last one, mountain climber with side. Ito yun. So, 1, 2, 3. Yun yung mountain climber with side. So, yun yung seniors workout. So, in between 1 minute rest, 15 exercises to. So, okay, thank you.